Right, a quick tip today. I've got a series of 3 tips for analytics setup. We've recently did an audit for a client, and to be honest, see this time and time again. So the first one, always have a raw profile set up in your account. You'll be thankful later on if you filter out traffic using different views to be able to have this raw profile to then go back and interrogate or analyze anything that may have gone wrong with some of the views that you set up. Second one is to always have a hostname filter set up for domains that you actually want traffic going to your site. Spam traffic from measurement protocol, from bots, can always get into your site and also pollute the traffic on your site. Third one, the final one, is probably a biggie in terms of goal values. Very rarely do you see goal values set up on an e-commerce site or any other site for that matter. E-commerce transactional value barely or very rarely they reflect the business value of that transaction. So if you have a lifetime value for that transaction, include it within the goal that you set up. And what that will allow you to do is better interrogate the goals against your channels and media traffic to better understand how that traffic is impacting your lifetime value for those sort of channels and those sort of goals. So those are the quick tips for today. There's many more to come, so keep tuned, keep following C3. Speak to you soon.